Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure iOS and Snapchat are current. Updates fix compatibility and security. Next, open Settings and enable Face ID for apps so Snapchat can request authentication. Once done, go into Snapchat settings and allow Face ID under Login or Permissions. This links the app to the system biometric. Doing these steps first prevents permission errors later. Make sure your device already has a registered Face ID profile. Without that, Snapchat cannot authenticate using Face ID. Now open Snapchat, tap your profile, then the gear icon and locate Enable Face ID or similar toggle. Turn it on so Snapchat uses system authentication. You should test by locking the phone and reopening Snapchat to confirm it prompts Face ID instead of password input. If recognition fails, adjust lighting and hold the phone at a natural distance. Face ID performs best with even light and unobstructed face. These configuration and testing steps ensure the app and system handshake reliably. Finish by creating an alternate appearance in Face ID settings if you change looks often. This improves matching. Once done, clear Snapchat cache if small glitches appear. But if authentication keeps failing, restart your iPhone and try again. As a last resort, reinstall Snapchat to reset app-level settings. If Face ID still refuses to work across apps, inspect for camera obstructions or visit Apple support. Hardware faults can break biometric scanning. Remember, never attempt bypass methods. Use authorized fixes for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.